really sew. So now you're gonna, okay, look, look, your guide is off. I could see already. It looks like you're using the guide right here, according to where this looks. It needs to be right there. Okay, so can you see the difference? This is where your guide was, and this is where my guide is. Can you see the difference?
Yep.
Okay, you want your guide right there. You want to be able to see this feed dog. On yours, you got it covering the feed dog. I'm saying you need to see that feed dog. Technically, you could make the stitch right there where you could see this. That's going to be about a 1/16. The problem with that stitch, that's a good stitch. They put that on real fancy shirts on the collar and bullshit. But the problem with the 1/16 stitch is sometimes it's so close that it can just go off. Okay, but I got special feet that make these stitches perfect. But I don't use them because it wastes my time to take the shit on and off. And it doesn't make that much difference. It does if I want to try to make something real perfect, but I don't give a fuck about real perfect. I'm just saying, my sewing is B or B plus or C plus.
Gorilla style.
Right.
Sewing.
There you go. My shit, it might not be
Or
perfect.
chimpanzee if you ain't trying to be a gorilla.
Right. But anyway, okay, so look, so look, so what I want to talk about just real quick. I'm going to have you sew this, but I want you to sew it a certain kind of way. Okay. So as an example, I hate to have to do all this. Cause it's a lot. But okay, look. So watch this. Okay, look. Okay, I'm not gonna make it real long. I'm gonna cut it off right here, just to. Because what I want to explain, maybe I could explain it in this amount.
That's 15 minutes.
Okay. This is going to be 1 minute. Okay, look, this is what you've done so far. This is a little bit wider than yours. See, I clip clean, but I clip clean on that side. I'm not going to clip clean on this side because it might pull the thread. Okay. But what I want to show you is the next stitch, which is the stitch that you're getting ready to do. Okay, so now I'm always saying about sew at the speed of the feed dogs, and I'm going to say that again.